Hi everyone, my name is Lindokhuhle Mlotshwa. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm currently here at Texila American University and we are doing our practicals in the labs. I must say that I'm very happy with the faculty here. We're being led by Mrs. Vivianne, and I must say that I'm gaining a lot of experience, and I'm sure that with the confidence that I'm getting, I'm able to go far in my clinicals. This has been an amazing experience. I now know a lot of parts of the body inside and out, and it's, if I may say, a breathtaking experience knowing that the faculty is well trusted and they're giving me quality education that I deserve. If you're thinking of studying medicine, Texila is the right place for you. Quality education that you may get, and with good experience that you may build your confidence on.